question number 56. There are two masses given over here, which has been hitting here and is going like this. Read the question. Mass of 2 kg traveling at 5 meter per second collides with a mass of 4 kg traveling at 3 meter per second. Going like this, and they collide. The masses collide at right angles. Okay, they join and move together after the collision of theta. So the original diagram. Okay, they join and move together. What kind of problem is this? This is an inelastic collision. Okay, and to the original direction of 2 kg mass with an angle theta. What is theta? Okay. So therefore, what is the momentum here? Momentum here is 10. What is the momentum here? 12 over here. What is the momentum here? We need to find. So these two are vectors. When they are vectors that align at an angle of 90 degrees, then I usually use system 12 Pythagoras. What is the Pythagoras theorem tells you? It should be equal to square root of 10 square plus 12 square. This should be a momentum. Okay, don't worry about the angle. First, let us find out the magnitude of it. It should be equal to 100 plus 144. It should be equal to square root of 244, which should now be equal to, let us find out what the value of square root of 244. 4 is 15.6. 15.62. What is the unit? This is kg meter per second. Kg meter per second. I'll write down here. 15.62 kg meter per second. So this is the value. Now what do I need? I need the angle theta. Simple. So this vector is seen to be 10. Now this vector is 15.6. Take the component of this one. So this should be 15.62 plus. Okay. So therefore what I can do is, I can now write 15.6 cos theta is equal to 10. Or cos theta should be equal to 10 by 15.6. 15.6. When I do this, let us take the reciprocal of this. This will how much? Multiply this by 0.64. Now, 0.64. Here I need to take the value of theta. Second, cos inverse. I get that 50.19. And this should be 50.19 degrees. This should be closer to 50. Should be our answer. Find out. This is C.